Hello, Nariman Meldim. Today, my group mates Günay Gojeva and me will talk about the monitors, and we talk about the three part of the monitors and what is the monitor, uh, the history of the monitor, and the types of the monitors. And what's the monitors? A computer monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial or textual form. A discrete monitor comprises the visual display, support electronics, power supply, housing, electrical connectors, and external user controls. A monitor is an electronic output device that is also known as a video display terminal or a video display unit. It's used to display image, text, video, and graphics information generated by the connected computer via a computer's video card. And the early the older monitors were built by using fluorescing screen and cathode ray tube, which made them heavy and large in size, and thus causing them to cover more space on the desk. Nowadays, all monitors are made up by using flat panel displays technology and commonly backlit with LEDs. And these modern monitors take less space on the desk as compared to older one. And early electronic computers' front panels were fitted with an array of the light bulbs, where the state of each particle bulb would indicate then on or off state of the particle register bit inside the computer, and this allowed the engineers operating the computer to monitor the internal state of the machine. So this panel of lights came to be known as a monitor, as early monitors were only capable of displaying a very limited amount of the information and were very transient, and they were rarely considered for the program output. Instead, a line printer was the primary output device, while the monitor was limited to keeping track of the program's operation. And now my group mates will talk about the types of the monitors.
There are many types of the monitors, but today we will talk about only three types of the monitors. Cathode ray tube monitors, touchscreen monitors, and read monitors. Cathode ray tube monitors, it's a technology used in early monitors. It uses a beam of electrons to create an image on the screen. It comprises the guns that fire a beam of electrons inside the screen. The electron beam repeatedly hit the surface on the screen. These guns are responsible for generating red, green, and blue colors, and more other colors can be generated with the help of combining these three colors. Today's flat panel monitors replace CRT monitors. Now let's talk about touchscreen monitors. These monitors are also known as an input device. It enables users to interact with the computer by using a finger or stylus instead of using a mouse or a keyboard. When users touch the screen by their finger, it occurs an event that forwards it to the controller for progressing. These types of screens include pictures or words that help users to interact with the computer. It takes input from the users by touching menus or icons presented on the screen. There are different types of the touchscreen monitors. Three common types are given below. Resistive touchscreen is generally this screen includes a thin electrically conductive and resistive layer of metal. When the touch is pressed, a change in the electrical current occurs that is sent to the controller. Nowadays, these screens are widely in use. These monitors are more reliable as they cannot be affected by liquids or dust. Surface wave touchscreens. These monitors process the input through ultrasonic waves. When a user touches the screen, the wave is processed and absorbed by a computer. It's less reliable as they can be damaged by water or dust. And let's talk about capacitive touch screen. This screen includes a cover with an electrically charged material. This material continuously flows the current over the screen. It's manually used by the finger rather than a stylus. These monitors contain better clarity, don't damage by dust. Nowadays, capacitive touch screen is mostly used in smartphones. Now, let's give information about LED monitors. LED monitors, the flat screen computer monitor, which stands for light emitting diode display. It's lightweight in terms of weight and has a short depth. As a source of light, it uses a panel, has a LED. Nowadays, a wide number of electronic devices, both large and small devices, such as laptop screens, mobile phones, TVs, computer monitors, tablets, and more, use LED displays. It's believed that James Mitchell invented the first LED display on 18 March 1978. The first prototype of LED display was published to the market at the Science and Engineering Fair in Iowa. And this prototype received awards from NASA and General Motors. Yes, that's all. Thanks for the attention. Hope it was interesting for you.
Thank you for the attention.